Resource Community, a network of dedicated educators committed to improving teaching and learning. In this video, we'll help you get started using our OER authoring tool, OpenAuthor. We will learn how to author a new resource from scratch and how to remix an existing resource. To begin, make sure you're logged in before you click on Add OER in the global navigation bar. Select OpenAuthor from the pop-out menu. This will open a new draft of a resource for you to edit. We recommend you first give your resource a clear title and upload an image. Next, you can begin adding structure to your resource using sections. Give the sections a name and add content within each. This can include writing the main body of content that students will see, attaching resources related to the section, and articulating any specific instructions for the person teaching this resource in the Instructor Notes area. You can also import from Google Docs and OneDrive to add content to your section. Within the content editor, there are various tools to support the design and creation of your resource, including pasting text from Word, formatting headings, stylizing the font, adding numbers, bullets, indents or quotes, and changing the alignment. To make your resource more dynamic and interactive, you can add hyperlinks, images, tables, video, mathematical equations, and definitions. While editing your resource, it will automatically be saved to your drafts in your profile. You can click Save and Preview to get a sense of what your resource will look like when published. To support collaboration, we have a feature that allows you to add co-authors by clicking on View and Manage Authors. Search for your co-author's name or email. Then select the box next to their name and click Add Co-author to give permission to others to edit your resource. Before publishing, we recommend utilizing the accessibility checker on each section to ensure your resource is accessible to all learners. When you click on the checker, it will identify any accessibility issue within your section. When you're ready to publish your resource, click Publish and describe your resource clearly so that others can find it more easily. Select an open license and add any relevant standards or keywords. When you've added all the information needed to help make your resource more discoverable to others, click Publish. Resources that are published in OpenAuthor are available to users in multiple download formats, including the Braille-ready EPUB 3, PDF, Thin Common Cartridge, and SCORM. Now that you've seen how to author a new resource from scratch, let's see how you can remix an existing resource using the authoring tool. When you find a resource that is remixable, simply click on the Remix button while viewing the resource. This will create your own copy of the resource in the authoring tool. Next, give your new version a different title and begin customizing for your specific teaching and learning needs. When you have edited your remix and are ready to publish, click Publish. Be sure to update your description before publishing by citing the changes you have made to the original resource in the descriptive fields. To find resources that have been published using the authoring tool, select the OpenAuthor 2.0 box under the Content Source and the Advanced Search. We believe each member of our OER community has their own unique expertise and experience to contribute. That is why we developed our authoring tool to support the creation and sharing of educational resources. As with any new tool, the more practice you have, the easier it will be to use OpenAuthor. Remember, you can always go back and edit and republish your resource. In fact, we encourage you to update and improve your resource over time. Thank you for being a contributor to our OER community.